My cat. This is my cat. Her name is Tiku. Her fur is black, brown, and white. She has a triangle face, yellow eyes, and 3 legs. I found her in front of my house. One of her legs was bone and already rotten. But that was then. Now she is a cheerful, active, and cute cat. In the morning, she always has breakfast with cat food and fish. Next, she plays a kite, rope, and her favorite ball. Then, she says meow to have lunch. In the noon, she takes a nap on her favorite box or under the sofa. After that, she often fights with her rival, Rose. In the afternoon, she always sits on the sofa and watches TV. Next, she sleeps on her box with her favorite pillow. She likes when I tickle her neck and when I stroke her body. When I at home, she always follows me.
We are one of a kind, irreplaceable. How did I get so blind and so cynical? If there's love in this life, we're unstoppable. No, we can't be defeated. Monday left me broken.